Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pusheen as an ice cream sandwich. So first let's get started with the top, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. Starting back on this line, now we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the center. From our top line now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the right hand side. And then from the side here, we're just going to again curve this line back around and then in on the bottom. Let's draw in the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for the right eye. And now leaving a gap moving over on the left, we'll replicate that. In the top left-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle. Now let's draw in the mouth. So in the middle of both eyes, in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left-hand side. Now in the center, moving up in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice long rectangle, curving this line around and then up. We'll move beside that on the right-hand side, replicating that. And then again, moving over on the left. Now for the ears, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the side. And then moving over on the left, we'll replicate that one more time. For the whiskers on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then dropping down, let's replicate that. We'll move over on the left-hand side now, curving this line over. And then again, one more time as we move down. In the center now, we're going to connect this together with a curved line from left to right. We're going to come in behind our left ear, curving this line around and then up. On the right-hand side here, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now from here, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right, bringing that over. Now on the top, starting on the right, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the left. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back up towards the top. Now for the rest of the ice cream sandwich, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring a straight line that comes down. We'll move over on the right-hand side and replicate that. Now on the bottom, we're going to close this off. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on the center, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up in the corner. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line down and then in. Over on the left, curving this line around and then in. And then now from here, we're going to connect this on the bottom with a curved line from left to right, bringing this all the way around and then over on the right-hand side. For the legs now underneath, we're going to draw in a small arch line, curving that up. Let's move over on the right-hand side, replicating that. And then one more time as we move over on the right. Now let's draw some sprinkles. So over on the right-hand side on a diagonal, we're going to bring this line up, curving that at the top, bringing that down, and then curving it on the bottom again, connecting that together. We'll come further over on a diagonal and we'll replicate that. Let's come down on a diagonal again. Let's draw one in the middle. Let's step up now on the left. Let's move down, drawing that in the same direction. Let's move over now, drawing them up towards the top left-hand side. Now moving over on the left, we're going to draw in another sprinkle, bringing that over towards the top right. And then moving down again, replicating that. Let's move over in the middle. And then coming up on the left. And then dropping down again. And then now let's just draw in the tail. So coming up on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the top again, we're just going to curve this line in and then down. Moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Stepping further up again, let's replicate that. One more time as we move up towards the top. And then again, moving over, curving that across. And that is it. That's how you draw Pusheen as an ice cream sandwich. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.